media front. This our puja already is the world's most digitally watched puja. It's just it was not consolidated. So this year we are stepping up the efforts further. The idea is that anybody, any Bengali, or for that matter, any any person who follows Durga Ma can watch whatever we are doing on various social media channels, be it Insta, YouTube, everywhere. So that is another new thing that we have been really stepping up our efforts. Last year was our first real year where we did something new. This year we are gonna make it much bigger. Like the digital scale of this puja is gonna go up a few notches this year.
Shivani, preparations must have already begun. The whole festivity forward. What do you have to say?
The puja fever has already started. You can see the construction happening here. Preparations have already started. The construction has started. So the other puja preparations, where the rituals are going to happen, that also has been upgraded in a lot of ways. And the stage is going to be a little different this time. So you feel that even though we've advanced in a different to a different venue, but the tradition and the Gharwa feeling is still going to be there. I think a lot more crowd can come here this year because the area is much bigger. So we're wishing all the best for our puja here.
Where we used to feed, say about 1,000 people, then in one batch we can feed about 1,500. So that is a good thing. Each batch is just 50, about 4-5 matches. The things get faster, more faster.
Moving locations would be challenging also.
What I would like to add is I think it is more accessible for people. It's more central, and there was a little bit of limitation of space, and I think we can cater to more people here. Everybody desires to come and have a look, and we can cater to everyone. We would request everybody to please come and visit Ma, and she is beautiful every year, and we have something really special coming up this year for the decoration and so and for the cultural programs as well.
So talking about performances, I would like to ask, we have Daler Mendi and Preetam performing. Every year it is a variety of,
This year we have, you see, unfortunately this year there are only 3 dinner entertainments. Navami and Ashtami, Navami and Dasami fall on the same day. So we have lost 1 day. So we got only 3 days for entertainment this time. And 2 days for food. Once Mark goes away, you can't have food. So we can't have food at that time on those days. So 1 day we have lost. So on first day we have called Pawan Kumar, the Indian Idol singer that called Pawan Kumar. Second time we got Daler Mendi, we have good and Preetam is, they are the 3 days we have.
Jan, it's a new venue. What would you, like to say to all the viewers here that we shifted from Tulip to SNDT ground?
Firstly, Debu uncle pranam, and secondly, this is a family tradition of sorts for us, and we're very happy that it's shifted to SNDT. Although we're going to miss the old venue, but everyone says change is uncomfortable. I'm looking at the best side of this. And I'm very excited about Durga Puja like every year. We've put in a lot of efforts, a lot of hard work. These people have worked incessantly to make this happen. So this year is going to be a different one. But I can assure you all that it's going to be as good as every year.
We are open for questions now. Yes, sir.
Because we have a footfall of over 1 lakh of people in a Durga Puja every day. Now that one, people will go to Tulip Star. I want those people to know through the press and through your media is what I want to say, that the venue has changed. This is what has to be hammered. So that 1 lakh of people, they don't go to Tulip Star and go back disappointed. So they should know that it's not there, it is one person. Which I request of you to please hammer this one, that the puja is Thank you. That's it.
And one point to add, like the hallmark of our puja is the bhog. If you ask, let's say, Devu Kaka Shamratda, the first thing that we'll talk about is the bhog of our puja. The feedback over the years have been
Timings are very early this time, very early in the morning. So any devotee who's interested in coming for the puja has to come here by 6:30 because that's when the puja will start and the timings are very limited. So especially like people who come for Shondi Pujo, that is in the morning, that will start from 6:24 a.m. So that is very important that you all know that it is a very limited time. It's all in the morning, early morning.
And bigger every year, and that was also one of the reasons to shift this to this venue. So we would like all of you to also, broadcast the message that we have a much bigger venue for the Bhog, which is the most special thing for all of us.
Rego, come. Please come, SNTT is a new venue, please come. March. Very good, you deserve a big hand.
Is that
holding this press conference for a new venue and SNTT crowd. What would you like to say?
Well, change is always important. Change होना चाहिए life में, and change is something very new. और माँ दुर्गा का आशीर्वाद तो है ही, और वो चाहती है कि कुछ और नयापन हो, कुछ नए लोग जुड़े, कुछ नया कुछ हो. So it's very important, and I truly believe in that. We all should believe in that. तो अच्छा ही होगा पूजा, सबका हार्ड वर्क है, सब मेंबर्स का हार्ड वर्क है, और सीनियर सिटीजन्स लोग बहुत हार्ड वर्क करते हैं इस पूजा के पीछे. सब लोग, द यंगस्टर्स, द यूथ, एवरीबडी, इट्स अ टीम वर्क टुगेदर, एंड वी ट्राई टू डू समथिंग डिफरेंट एवरी ईयर. तो इस साल भी अच्छा ही होगा, सब माँ की कृपा है, माँ हमारी बहुत जागृत है, एंड इट्स अ वेरी हिस्टोरिकल पूजा. ये आज की पूजा नहीं है, ये बहुत ही, आई थिंक वी आर द 4th or 5th generation. The Lairis are in this puja, my grandparents, and of course Mukherjee uncle and Dadu and Dida and my grandparents. So then my father Bapu Lahiri, and then Rema Bappa Lahiri, and now Rego bhi. So it's the 4th, 5th generation who's been carrying on this legacy. So of course जगह नया है और अच्छा ही होगा, सब लोग बहुत हार्ड वर्क है, पर आशा है कि आप लोग एंजॉय करें, और प्लीज कम टू द पूजा एंड एंजॉय द पूजा, बी विद अस. और अगर कुछ भूल चुक होता है तो माफी चाहते हैं, पर इट्स अ न्यू थिंग. तो प्लीज कम एंजॉय द पूजा.
That's all. Look forward to bigger and better.
Rego, what do you have to say? Look at the message.
So basically, I want to say that I'm like my first star of my singing career started from the stage from this month, and I know this year's puja is going to be a great puja because we are coming to a different location right now, and a lot of new things will come up to the puja, and it's going to be really good this year, and I am eternally grateful to everybody who are working so hard to this puja, and all the credit goes to all the members and to everybody to the workers, to the people, to the associates, to the PR, everybody. सबको बहुत धन्यवाद. And the main credit goes to Debu Kaka. He's the pioneer of the puja. He's in the Shomnath. Everybody, the full Mukherjee family is the pioneer of the puja. And I hope you all will like this year's puja, and we'll see you all there.
One thing I want 2 days.
But don't worry, जितने लोग हम cover करते हैं हम उसको cover कर देंगे क्योंकि जगह
when Ma is not there, you can't have a vote. So on the day she's here, you have vote. When she's gone away, then no point having a vote.
10th and 11th are the 2 days of vote. 10th and 11th.
October.
10th October, 11th October.
You can have vote otherwise, what is it?
So we are looking forward to seeing you. We, like we said, that we promised you we're getting a better place and also some parks. So there are some more space, and food is going to be fab as every year, at least even better. So looking forward to seeing you all. Please do come.
Thank you.
Since we have a day left,
Otherwise everything is going to be
You
the
can- you
same.
can
In fact, much
study out.
better. It's huge. It's huge.
JB
It's
Pandal
huge.
is that side. You think it's also there.
All the adjectives: bigger, better, glamorous, tasty, sucked out. See you all.
Thank you.
So we would want some musical touch also since we have done, and Rego here. Rego will begin with you.
alright.
John,
I would like to sing one of my grandpa's classics. So shall I begin?
Yeah.
Go for it. यार मांगा है तुमसे ना इनकार करो प्यार मांगा है तुम्हीं से, ना इनकार करो। पास बैठो जरा जो तुम, इकरार करो, मुझे प्यार करो। दुर्गा पूजा को प्यार दो।
Good one, no? There you go.
Not only Pooja, but I can say.
Amazing, lovely deeds of your singing.
Oh, thank you. Well, माँ का आशीर्वाद है तो माँ के नाम पे गाना गाते हैं। तूने मुझे बुलाया शेरवालिए, मैं आया शेरवालिए। ओ तूने मुझे बुलाया शेरवालिए, मैं आया शेरवालिए। ओ जोधा वालिए, पहाड़ा वालिए, ओ मेरा वालिए। ओ तूने मुझे बुलाया शेरवालिए, मैं आया शेरवालिए। जय माता दी, जय माँ दुर्गा, जय माता।
Rightly said, it's Maer Junne Gachi Amra. So I would like to sing, yeah, absolutely, and I would like to sing a few lines as a homage to Ma coming and making all our lives better. Whoever knows, please join in. Of course, I'm sure you all might not be knowing it, but still I'll give it a shot. जागो तुमी जागो, जागो दूर जागो दश प्रहरण धारिणी, अभय शक्ति बल प्रदायिनी तुमी जागो, जागो तुमी जागो। बोलो बोलो दुर्गा माँ की, बोलो बोलो दुर्गा माँ की, बोलो बोलो दुर्गा माँ की।
Thank you.